Hi everyone, how are you? I've got a little project that I'd like to share with you. I've made it's sort of a recipe junk journal for my daughter, and I just wanted to come on and show you. It's got 3 signatures. I've used the pamphlet stitch down to bind it. And the outside of this pattern paper is actually a piece of vellum. So I thought with her using it in the kitchen, if she's got sticky hands or something and touches the book, well, the outside she can just easily wipe off. So I thought that was a pretty good idea. Okay, so I'll give you a quick flip through. It's got plenty of spots for her writing her recipes in, little tuck spots, little cowl, tag, a little pocket with a mason jar, little belly band with some chookies on it. That's a bit of washi down there and a gone fishing sign, and I found that picture and just put it on the back of some card stock, so plenty of spaces in here for writing recipes in. Little pocket. It's a shearer, so I thought that's interesting to put in there for a tag, because without farmers we wouldn't have food, really, would we? So the papers in here, I dyed. It was like a chocolate syrup or something, so they've got a really nice smell to them. And then I just oven baked them. It's a little envelope with some leaves on a tag. Family favourite recipe. Sweet. That's a little side pocket with a little chicken in it. Another little tuck spot. She's already seen the journal and she just loved it, so I'm very happy. Little pineapple stamp. Delicious. That one there's a side tuck spot. Another pocket with the mason jar. She can write like recipes or something on the back of the mason jar. I'll just pause you, I've got a plane. Okay, I'm back, the plane's gone. It's another little pocket up there. So that's got some more chickens on it. Little tuck spot, little sugar jar. Kiss the cook sign. Little tea caddy tuck spot. Another little mason jar. Another little pocket. Lovin' from the oven. Another little journaling card. That's a little tuck spot in there. Some beaters. This is the third signature now. That's pretty cool. I love that. It's a picture of emus from an emu farm. Another little pocket and card. It's a little tuck spot there. Picture of a farmer, and right on the back of that. Another little pocket. It's a bit of border, sticky border. So another journaling spot. I love cooking. Little piggy. Another little side pocket. Another pocket down there. Tuck spot up there. Have a great day. That one opens up. There we go. And I'm near the end and the kids have nearly come. They're nearly home. Just a minute, please, Sammy. And just in the back, just a minute, please. And in the back, a couple of big journaling tags. So there you have it. Lovely. And very, very happy with it. She is. And so am I. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Mum,
What, darling?
I found my pink boo on the bed.
Did you? Oh, you're very good.